The long-awaited Samsung Galaxy Ring is here and it's ready to wrap itself around your finger. But is the Galaxy Ring ready to become Lord of the smart rings? Let's find out. I spent about an hour with a $400 Galaxy Ring, and the thing I was most surprised about was how light and easy to wear it is compared to some other smart rings that I've tried. It weighs only 3 grams and looks like an ordinary band, so you could easily mistake it for a wedding band. It's made of titanium and has a subtle concave dip, which helps it look more like jewelry. It's got a long list of health tracking tools on board, like sleep and workout tracking. There's a cool gesture to remotely control your phone, and the transparent charging case is actually really nice. To answer some of the big questions first. 1. Yes, it really does cost $400. That seems like a lot compared to the $300 Oura ring, but don't forget, that ring needs a $6 monthly subscription to see pretty much all of your health data. The Galaxy Ring has no subscription. Thank you, Samsung. Number 2, the ring is Android only for now. It's kind of a bummer because other smart rings like the Ultra Human Air, the Oura and Amazfit ring work across ecosystems, but hey, I'm not too surprised about this given the Galaxy Watch has been Android only for a few years now. And number 3, it comes in 9 different sizes and 3 titanium finishes, gold, silver or black. And if you pre-order from Samsung, they'll send you a sizing kit so you can get the right fit. You can wear the Galaxy Ring on any finger, but the index finger is recommended for better accuracy. The big focus here is health, so the Galaxy Ring can track activity, sleep, steps, and heart rate. There's all the sensors you'd expect, like blood oxygen, skin temperature, and heart rate. Plus, the ring will measure a lot of specific sleep data, like how long it takes you to fall asleep, if you move around a lot during the night, and your breathing rate. In the morning, you'll see an energy score out of 100 that takes into account heart rate, sleep, and activity. This is really similar to the Oura Ring's readiness score or Fitbit's daily readiness score. Samsung, though, wants to go one step further than the competition by offering more personalized recommendations via Galaxy AI, including wellness tips. This might be advice on anything from exercise goals to sleep. Say the Galaxy Ring says that you take a while to fall asleep. It might then recommend some meditation before bed. And the ring also supports automatic workout detection for a few exercises like walks and runs, so you won't need to pull out your phone to manually start a workout. The ring is also water resistant and IP68 rated, so the idea is you'll wear it 24/7 for all of your health tracking needs. The battery lasts up to 6 or 7 days depending on the ring size. The largest size 12 and 13 rings are the ones that get the longest runtime. And if you're wondering about the new sleep apnea feature that Samsung announced at Unpacked, that's only on the Galaxy Watch, not the ring. Speaking of the watch, they'll actually work together. You don't need both of them for the ring to work, but if you do have the budget for both, Samsung Health will only take the most accurate data and then it will shut down some sensors on the other one to save battery life. But it's the gesture controls that I'm most enamored with, at least from my quick hands-on. You can double pinch to take a photo or stop a timer on the phone. There's potential to add even more gestures in the future, but these are the main ones at launch. One other cool thing with the ring is that it connects with Samsung's Find app to see its last location on a map. So if you, say, lose it around the house, pull out your phone, ping the ring, and the LEDs will light up, so it should be easier to find, especially if you, say, like lose it behind the couch cushions. Now, there are plenty more questions that you might have about the Galaxy Ring, so let me know what you want answered and stay tuned for lots more hands-on impressions and, of course, the full review. If you are interested in pre-ordering, you can do that now, and the ring goes on sale on July 24th. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. See ya!